Hello, welcome to My Sales Job. In today's discussion, we will be addressing the inevitable issue of stress that we may encounter in our sales journey. Instead of avoiding it, let's learn how to reduce and effectively manage stress. Stress is a normal psychological and physical reaction to the ever-increasing demands of life. While some stress can be helpful and even motivating, excessive stress can have negative impacts on our health, mood, and behavior. Salespeople are particularly susceptible to stress due to the high-pressure nature of their job. They must deal with rejections, meet tight deadlines, and achieve challenging targets, all while maintaining a positive attitude and building strong relationships with their clients. The cumulative effect of these stressors can lead to burnout, reduced productivity, and even health problems. Therefore, it's crucial for salespeople to learn how to manage their stress effectively, to maintain their well-being and achieve success in their careers. Here are some suggestions for what salespeople can do during their time off and be fresh for the next day. 1. Get some exercise. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress and clear your mind. It can also help you sleep better and feel more energized. Some examples of exercises that salespeople can do include yoga, running, swimming, cycling, and weightlifting. 2. Spend time in nature. Being in nature has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental health. Salespeople can take a hike, go for a walk in the park, or simply sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. 3. Pursue a hobby. Hobbies are a great way to unwind and do something you enjoy. Some examples of hobbies that salespeople might enjoy include reading, painting, playing a musical instrument, or cooking. 4. Connect with friends and family. Spending time with loved ones can help you feel connected and supported. Salespeople can call a friend or family member, meet up for a meal or coffee, or simply spend time chatting with someone they care about. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. Salespeople can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply by taking a few moments to focus on their breath and clear their mind. What are the signs showing that salespeople are getting stressful? 1. Irritability and moodiness. Salespeople who are stressed may become easily agitated or short-tempered. 2. Physical symptoms. Stress can manifest in physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches, and muscle tension. 3. Lack of motivation. Salespeople who are stressed may lose their motivation and enthusiasm for their work. 4. Decreased productivity. Stress can also lead to a decrease in productivity and a decrease in the quality of work. 5. Absenteeism or tardiness. Salespeople who are stressed may be more likely to call in sick or arrive late to work. To counter these issues, there are several things that salespeople can do. Here are some suggestions. 1. Take breaks. Salespeople can take short breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. This could involve going for a walk, doing some deep breathing exercises, or simply stepping away from their work for a few minutes. 2. Practice time management. Effective time management can help reduce stress by ensuring that salespeople have enough time to complete their work without feeling overwhelmed. 3. Prioritize self-care. Salespeople can prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. 4. Seek support. Talking to a friend, family member, or mental health professional can help salespeople manage stress and develop coping strategies. 5. Learn stress management techniques. Salespeople can learn stress management techniques such as meditation, mindfulness, and yoga, which can help them manage stress and maintain their well-being. By taking steps to manage stress, salespeople can improve their mental and physical health, maintain their motivation and productivity, and ultimately be more effective in their roles. Salespeople can adopt several daily practices, routines, or habits to minimize stress and stay focused and productive. Here are some examples. 1. Plan their day. Salespeople can start their day by creating a to-do list or a schedule of their tasks for the day. This can help them stay organized and focused, and reduce the feeling of overwhelm. 2. Take breaks. Salespeople should take breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. This could involve going for a walk, stretching, or simply stepping away from their work for a few minutes. 3. Practice time management. Salespeople can manage their time effectively by prioritizing their tasks, delegating tasks if possible, and setting realistic deadlines. 4. Prioritize self-care. Salespeople should prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. They should also make time for activities that they enjoy and that help them relax. 5. Learn stress management techniques. Salespeople can learn stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. They can practice these techniques throughout the day to help manage stress and maintain their focus. 6. Focus on the positive. Salespeople can maintain a positive outlook by focusing on the things that are going well in their work and personal lives. This can help them stay motivated and reduce feelings of stress or anxiety. 7. Connect with colleagues. Salespeople can connect with colleagues and build relationships with them. This can help create a supportive work environment, reduce feelings of isolation, and boost morale. It's important to note that everyone experiences stress differently, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential for salespeople to be mindful of their stress levels and identify what works best for them. Additionally, while these suggestions can help manage stress, it's important to address the root cause of the stress. For example, if a salesperson is consistently missing their targets, it may be helpful to review their sales strategy and identify areas for improvement. Addressing the root cause of the stress can help prevent it from occurring in the future. By adopting these practices, salespeople can reduce stress, stay focused, and be more effective in their roles. These practices can also help maintain their mental and physical well-being, and lead to a more fulfilling work experience. This is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe if you find this video interesting. Go to our website and view more from our library. Do buy us a coffee and help this channel to grow. Take a break and de-stress yourself. Have a great day and happy selling.